Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Facebook how to change name. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. So once you are in your Facebook, just head over to the three lines icon on the top right and then go to settings and privacy, then go to settings. From here, go to Meta account center and then go to personal details. So if you can't find your name in here, go back and go to profiles. Now select your Facebook profile and in here you will find the name option and username option. So as we want to change our name, head over to name option and here you can change your first name, middle name and surname. You can also manage your other names in here. So once you do that, make sure you click on give you change and then save your new name. So yeah, this is how you can just change name on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.